So deadlift 101. I personally love deadlifts, but I know a lot of people are afraid of them because they're worried they're gonna hurt their back, or maybe they have hurt their back when deadlifting. When you're setting up, you want to have your feet in a comfortable position about hip width. You're gonna have the bar so it's covering the knots in your shoes. The next thing is we're going to push our bum back towards the wall. We're gonna reach down with straight arms and grip the bar. Our hands are gonna be on the outside of our hips. I'm going to screw my feet into the ground. I'm gonna pull my lats down, or like I'm squishing lemons, or you can think you're pulling your lats into your back pocket. So it's gonna pull down like that. I'm gonna brace my core, so that's gonna be a big breath in, and then I'm gonna push all these muscles out as though I have a lifting belt, or as though I have a belt on and I'm filling the space. I'm gonna push the floor away and squeeze my butt at the top to come to a locked out position. We want to make sure my shoulders are over my hips. My shoulders are pulled back so they're not rolled forward. My butt's squeezed and I'm not overextending at the top. Now to begin the descent, I'm gonna make sure my lats are set, my feet are turned on, got a nice big brace. When you're lowering down, we want to initiate the movement the same way we do in RDL, as if I'm trying to touch the mirror with my butt. Happy lifting and go lift some heavy shit.